Sometimes when you type a URL of a website, then you came across with a page like this. That is, maintenance mode is on, site will be available soon, thank you for your patience. Something like this. And this page will help you when you will be editing your website. Let's suppose you don't want your visitors to see various things shattered here and there, and you want to present them in a well designed, in a well represented manner. So this thing will be helpful to you. In this video, we are going to have a look over this feature, and also we can see here we have a contact here, call to action, and if I click here and let me open it in a new tab, and you can see here I am being redirected to one of my another WordPress website contact page. So if anyone want to contact you, they can take your contact information right from here and they can directly contact you if they need it to. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can have a maintenance mode page like this with a call to action and with an image at the background. So let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser and type URL of your website and hit /wpadmin in front of your website URL. Then fill the login details. Click over login. And then you will be redirected to the dashboard of your website. Now what you need to do, you need to click over plugins, click over add new, and then in the search plugin bar here, search for maintenance. And here you can see we have a plugin named Maintenance by Web Factory Limited. It has 500,000 plus active installations. So we need to install this one and then click on activate. I have already installed it, so now I will click over activate. And in our install plugin section, we can see we have a maintenance plugin installed. If you want to configure this plugin, you can directly go to settings here. Otherwise, in this bar, you have maintenance written over here. Just click over maintenance. And then you can see few things. First of all, we have this button. There is a on off button of this plugin. And then if I directly save changes here, and if I visit my site, let me just open my Internet Explorer for this. And let me type my URL here. So you can see here we have our website. Currently it's showing maintenance mode is on, site will be available soon. Thank you for your patience. So we have a background image here, and then we have some text over here. So how can we change these things? Here below you can see we have page title, site is under construction. If you want to change this, you can also change this. We have a headline here, maintenance mode is on. You can also change this headline. And you can see we are currently having this image. So if you want to change the image, just click over upload image. Choose the image from your media library. Currently I am having only one image, so it's showing only one image. If you want to upload image, just click over upload files. Simply drag any image here and drop it here and it will be uploaded. So this way it is done. Now let's suppose you want to have a text over here and a call to action. So in order to have a call to action, what you need to do, you need to just type few things over here. Let's suppose we want to have a contact here text. So type here contact here in this manner. And now if I save changes and see my website again, let me just refresh this page. You can see here we have here contact here text, but we want this text to be a link. So how can we do that? We need to go down to this text here again and just select this text. Here at the top we have a insert or edit link option. Just click over this. Now you need to paste the URL which you want to show. So let's suppose I want to show here one of my website's URL, and if I go to my website's contact page, so I want to show my visitors this contact page if they click over contact here at that maintenance mode page. So how can we do that? We need to just go to our backend again and type the URL, or you can simply paste the URL here, hit over apply, and now click over save changes. So if you see your website again, let me refresh this page here. and we can see here we have this contact here text as a link. So if we click over contact here, you can see here we are being redirected to our website URL. So this is how it will work, and you can have a beautiful contact page while you are working on your website, so that visitors might know that you are working on your website, and if they want to contact you, they can also make a contact, or they can also get your contact information in this manner. So this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming awesome WordPress related content. So that's it. Thank you so much.